So today we're going to be making some spinach artichoke dip. This is like an Applebees copycat recipe. Super easy. There's two ways you can do it. Number one, you can toss everything in the crock pot, leave it and forget it, or you can bake it in the oven. So basically what we have is, of course, the artichokes. You need some roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. I just grabbed this one. You need some Italian cheese, spinach of course, cream cheese, and salt and pepper. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I am starting with my artichokes. These ones are quartered, so they're mostly chopped up already, but I'm actually going to chop them up a little more. You can leave them like this if you like big chunks. I'm going to go ahead and chop these up. So now I'm just going to add these artichokes to this bowl here. I'm going to add most of this cheese blend. I'm going to save a little bit of it for the top when I bake it. So I'm going to save about that much for the top. Going to add our roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to take some softened cream cheese. I have an 8-ounce bar of it or whatever. I don't know if that's what you call it, but I have 8 ounces. And then I will add a pinch of salt, just a little bit, just a pinch, and some black pepper. The salt and pepper is optional, so you could choose whether you want to add it or not. About a half a teaspoon or so, and that's pretty much it. We're going to mix this up like that. Now this you could assemble in the crock pot and cut it on. Forget about it. But for me, for today, my kids are almost home from school. Actually, they'll be here in about 10 minutes. So I want this ready for them when they get here. So I'm just going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes so they can have it ready. See my glass dish, it kind of blends in with the counter. So I'm just going to spray some cooking spray on this. I'm using this one. I picked this up at Aldi. It's like some garlic infused olive oil. I didn't realize I grabbed garlic infused, but that's okay because this is like a garlic-y thing, so I find reasons to use it. So I'm just going to take this mixture that we just mixed up, pour it in our casserole dish. I'm going to top this off with a little cheese. Spread this around very quickly. So we've got that in. I'm just going to take the rest of our cheese and I'm going to just sprinkle it over the top, like so. And that's it, you guys. This is ready for the oven. If you were having company, you can prepare this and put this in the fridge until you're ready to bake it. Or like I said, you can just pop it in the crock pot and have a little crock pot dip. So I'm going to pop this in the oven at 400. I usually let it go until it's like bubbly and the top starts to get a little brown spots. So probably about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, something like that. I'll let you guys know. Hey you guys, so I just took this out of the oven. I am going to let this cool off. I left it in for about 20 minutes. I did broil at the end for about a minute or two, and so it got all brown on the top. You don't have to do that, that's optional. I'm going to let this cool for a couple minutes and then I'll show you what it looks like underneath. So you guys, I'm just going to break into this with a spoon. Show you guys what we're working with here. Of course, like I said, you can add more spinach. This is so good. Look at that. Super steamy. It is absolutely fantastic, you guys. I don't think you'll miss Applebees for this. Is like a copycat. Tastes better in my opinion. Add more spinach and you've got yourself a winner. But there's tons of artichoke in here that make up for that lost spinach, that small amount of spinach. It is absolutely delicious. Give this a try, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Happy snacking. My kids are gonna enjoy this. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Bye.